Before you begin making a geometric die project for CAD Quiz number 1, the first thing you should do is really look at the drawing. You should be looking at the dimensions, looking at what exactly it is that you're making, and also take a look at the title block, which is all this information here, to see if there's anything you need to be aware of before you begin. One thing I want to point out, and is probably the first thing you need to look at with every subsequent project, is the measurements. What units are we using for this? If we look right here, it says all measurements in or millimeter. Now, the default units for most of our projects are inches, but some will be in millimeters. So you need to be able to switch between those units. And this video is going to show you how to do that in Autodesk Inventor. So if we go over to Inventor and open up a part, there's no easy way here in the beginning like there is in Fusion 360 to just go and toggle between inches and millimeters. So what we have to do is go to Document Settings. Now, Document Settings is located under the Tools tab, and right under the Tools tab title is this block, this toolbar called Document Settings. Now, once you click on that, you're going to see a whole nother set of tabs up here, and the second one says Unit, so that's where we need to go. Now, the default is generally inches, but we want to use millimeters for this project. So select millimeters, but don't exit this screen yet. You also have to change the linear dimension display precision. We generally just call this precision. And when we're working in millimeters, we want 2 decimal places. And to verify that, go ahead and look at all the numbers and all the dimensions in the blueprint. And you will see all of them have no more than 2 decimal places for any number. So that kind of confirms that we want 2. If we were to go to 3 decimal places with millimeters, we would be talking very, very small units, which is beyond what we want to work with. With inches, it's a little bit different. Inches are quite a bit bigger than millimeters. All right, so once you have this selected, you can click Apply, but OK works well too. So the difference between Apply and OK is Apply will apply the change, but it will leave this menu open. If you hit OK, it closes the menu and applies it, just so you are aware. So at this point, the settings are now in millimeters, and this is actually a really good time to save this file. Put in the proper name that you're supposed to have here, save it, or do a save as right now, and then as you update it, as you are creating it, hit just the save button and it will keep updating that file.